Well guys, welcome to the channel. I know what you're thinking, not another mini channel. There we go, there's lots of them. We all do things differently, and hopefully I can help some others the way I do things. Everyone does things different. Some things are easy for others, some things are harder for others. If I can help some people, it's a bonus. And it's not going to be a polished channel. I'm not very good at editing, but we'll get there. Yeah. So let's jump into what I've got to do. There's probably other things I've got to do as well. So hopefully you can follow me on the journey. Really don't know what to do with these hinges. Whether to keep them or swap them. You've got cracking hinges. That's when you're working on the engine. When you see your bonnet's right out the way. And so when you're bending down into the bonnet, your back starts hurting. It's a lot easier with the bonnet out the way. But as you can see, in the wing, all the paint's been catching, scratching off. The bonnet hinges aren't the best. Are being tight. See all the way down there. It's a bit annoying. But other than that, the cracking hinges like. Well, you know how these hinges work. I'll just show you now why I don't really like them. Yeah, all a bit annoying. We can get a good video on it. What's that in there? As you can see, when you drop the bonnet, the back end of it stays up until you get so far. And then it goes down. And the same when you lift it up. As you can see, these wires pop up out of the way. And that's when it again scratches. I'm going to try this again. I did a video it once, it came out corrupted. So, what I have to do, the sort this fan out. You can see it's not sticking in. It's sticking right out the cowling. Oh, itchy toes. I need to sort this pipe out. And chop it and sort it in properly. I also need to 90 degrees elbow on here, which fits better. Bit annoying. So that's what I have to do. Oh yeah, I need to do this brake pipe. As I did have one of these in there. I'll change it for the adjustable one for the rear. The brakes are a bit pony. Oh, and I did have a look on Kevin Cavler. Said he puts one of these in, ditches on that other valve, and just sticks one of these in, and that's it. I didn't have any brake pipes that were good enough, so I just put a joint in it for now. I have to take a whole pipe in, so it looks a bit neater. I also ain't too happy about these. You can see they started rusting. Just put spots on them. Which I'm not too happy about. There you go. I'll get some other ones. I have a HEF 44 carb coming. I've still got the HS4 running on this. What else? I need to change this. It's got one of the pins missing. That needs doing. Got some rust spots to do, sort out. There's got some down here already. I mean, that's when I can get the clip, like. But then that's that. Just one on the back end. So on this side, the other side. It's on the other side. A little bit on the strip. I need sorting out. Really cheap strips. So you got the stainless on really, but I thought it would be alright. This side's the worst. Starting to do the side. And on this seam. It's worse underneath. If we can get it down, have a look, see? If you can see it. Have that paint sorted out there as well. Not too bad. A hell of a drip there. You can see it very well. You can see the seam strips don't work very well. Fucking bony. I also want to try sort these side lights out. Just put them on just to show you. They're alright until I put LED lights in. They're more orange. To be in keeping with the original lights, you put orange LEDs in, and about an off-white, whatever you want to call it. So I might change them to bright white. Not too sure yet. But just unwire them. Let's see what happens. If I can find some bright white ones to solder in, and I might just do that. But, undecided yet. Turn these lights off. Also not too impressed with this wiper motor mount. It's a bit rubbish. And I've been happy since I put it in. It's a bit better than that. It does the job for now. Also the front end is very rusty. Even though it's not been on the road much. It's gone. Must be Chinese rubbish bolts. These are all rusty. As well as the ball joints. Which I'm not too impressed about. And the back end's the same. All the bolts and that are all rusty. So just have to sort that. Show the back end as well. You can see it's all rusted. You can see it's not done much mileage. Knobbles are still on the tyres. And the alarm's all rusty. I have to take them out and redo them. And the paint. Oh yeah. And the paint on the back started blistering. And the groove there. It picks it up very well on the camera. You can see bits here. And there we're pushing in. I'll have to redo the back end. Not too bad. We also have to tidy this mess up. I'm not sure what to paint this. What colour to paint this? Know the colour that's already on it. The same as the car. What have we got here? I've got some blurple. Also some cherry black somewhere. I don't know where that is. Let's get some yellow graffiti paint. some red graffiti paint. Yeah, if anyone's got any ideas, chuck them down in the comments, see what we can do. There'll be lots of tea drinking, lots of banter, swearing, ups and downs, and annoyances. So yeah, hopefully people will like it. If you do, I should do some more. And comment down below, subscribe, and probably see you in the future.